So now you have your gorgeous new Pebble tile installed. How do we keep it looking great? The first thing you want to do is apply grout release or pre-seal it before grouting. Because these stones are porous, they can absorb some of the pigment from the grout. When it comes to grouting, these joints are tiny, and some say too small to grout. From my testing using a non-aggregate grout, it suggests that it works. I've done it. After grouting, be sure to clean the tile as suggested from your grout manufacturer. Then use a sealer for extra protection. Because of the stone's porosity, it could take multiple coats. For regular maintenance, just sweep and vacuum as needed and clean with a mild detergent or a stone-specific cleaner. Avoid using harsh chemicals and abrasives. If you take care of your Pebble tile, it will last a long time. Now that you're an expert on this, check out this product right here and continue learning. Let us know in the comments what you think of the nature tile. If you like this video, be sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next video. Don't forget to check out the links in the description, shop at TileBar.com, and find more helpful resources. Thanks for watching, and let's keep learning together and tile the world.